Okay, I already started misting it, but I shut it off to get it on camera. And this is our second misting. It's a hot day. It's a real hot day out. And it is just sucking it right up. I'm going to stay here and mist this for a while. Hi, welcome back. Part 2 of the dry pour slab. Okay, so we've been wetting it down on the hour, and it's getting good. We misted it and misted it, and it looks like it's actually setting up really nice. I touched it a little while ago. It was hot to the touch, and I think this is going to be a nice success. If I can just stay patient and not take the form boards off too soon. Okay, we screeded it. We're not concrete people, that's for sure. But this slab will do what it needs to do. It'll hold us up. We're going to put some chairs out here, little table. And in the wintertime, we're going to put our little fire pit somewhere to sit and just enjoy the cool Georgia mornings. Actually, I sometimes like to make a fire before I go to work. Now, they say to do this 6 times. You can do as many times as you want, I'm sure, but at least 6. That is not ideal. But the water's standing on top, so the top is really curing nice. And I do like the edge work better on this one than the last one. And water's running down away from the house. So that ain't, all in all, it's nothing really to complain about. I mean, the finish could be better. So yeah, you could complain about that. I'm debating whether to cover it again. The sun's on the other side of the house. I've been covering it to keep the chickens off of it. Look at that. Get rid of that form board, that water run right off of there. Like I said, don't be too anxious to take your form board off. I'm already thinking tomorrow, but I might wait till next weekend to take the form board off. Give it 7 days. Concrete's green for, anywhere between 24 to 36 hours. And it takes 30 days for it to cure out. It never really stops curing. It keeps getting harder and harder. That's why I still wet down this one, because it's still sandy. But I'm not going to park a truck on it. I'm not going to drive my truck on it to see how hard it is. I can take that shovel and dig a hole in it. So we're not going to do anything like that. Like I said, a couple chairs, and I'll be happy. A couple chairs and a table. Maybe we'll sit out here and have a cocktail. You never know. But this is getting a good soaking. Yeah, I see water standing on it, and hopefully you see standing on it too. But this is if you're doing a concrete driveway, it doesn't hurt to water it gently. You don't want to bore a hole in it. Yeah. Yeah, that stuff will probably sweep right off. I don't mind the gravel up there either. I mean, if it looks horrible when I'm done, just get a can of paint. You paint over top of that, you have instant non-skid. That's all. And that's what I'm going for. I don't want to slip and fall on slick concrete. It hurts. Yeah. I think we'll wet down one more time today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. That face, that top is definitely cured in. All right, I'll finish this up. The screening part isn't real difficult. You put one person on one side, one person on the other side, you wiggle back and forth. And then if you watch their video, they used a ruler, a paint ruler. I used a broom. Matter of fact, this is how I did mine. I just came down and went like that. So as you see, it has set up, so I'm not making new streaks or anything like that. And most of those things are staying. I didn't want to cover this, but those chickens really did ruin my finish last time. And when I misted it, I really misted it, and I put the water to it. I mean, I might have misted it for like 10-15 minutes. They say the reason why they only missed it a little bit was not to get water drops. And I had a real gentle mist, and it seemed to work really good. And I like the fact that we got water standing here. That means it's starting to cure really good there. A little soft. And look, I got a cat wanting to play on it already. All right, thanks for tuning in to my new hobbies that might be helpful. We'll put this on in a minute.